Hello my supporters, I hope you're all okay. Today I have something different for you and I am so excited to show you. So, I had an amazing barbecue party with my family and one of my family friend. I decided to show you some of my barbecue recipes to you all. They are incredibly tasty, so make sure if you have a barbecue, try one of this recipe, you will not regret. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. Anyways, I will be sharing 4 of them recipes to you all. First one will be lamb chops, and then I've got nando style grilled chicken, chicken tikka sausage skewers with peppers and beef burger. If you're thinking, why does she have her dressing gown on and she's having a barbecue, she's next to the heat? Well, guess what? I'm cold. It's very cloudy, it's really windy. It's supposed to be sunny, but it's not. The weather news is never accurate nowadays. What can I do? It is what it is. Anyways, let's get on with the recipes now and I will show you the rest of the barbecue in the end. So here I've got 600 grams of lamb chops and I've washed it really well and it's pat dried with tissue. Now let's add all the ingredients. So 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of tandoori marinade paste. This will bring out really nice texture, it will look colorful and it has so much flavors. The one I'm using is from Patties and I'm not sponsored for this brand. You can use any, just find it from your local grocery store. So finally I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and that's it. Combine everything really well and cover it with cling film and keep it for about minimum 2 hours or overnight. Now let me show you what are the ingredients I used to marinate my chicken. Here I've got 7 pieces of chicken legs and as you can see I cut some lines on the meat just to make sure all the spices can go into it really well. Also I've washed it really well and it's pat dried with tissues. In here add 200 grams of extra hot nando sauce and just to let you know I'm not sponsored for any of the brand I use for this video. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now combine everything really well. I'm just adding about half a teaspoon of food color to this, it is totally optional. Again, give it a quick mix, cover it with cling film and keep it overnight or at least minimum of 2 hours in the fridge. Now let's move on and let me show you the preparations and the ingredients for skewers. I'm just chopping some peppers and I've got all 3 colors, obviously it's to make it look colorful. If you are enjoying watching my recipes then please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below what you think. Hey, did you see that I can actually do real magic now? Anyways, I'm just adding some colorful cherry tomatoes in here. I've got chicken tikka sausage here. I'm going to cut into small pieces. You can use your favorite sausages. Now give it a quick mix and I will show you all the ingredients that I've used. 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and finally about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now give it a nice mix and keep it in the fridge for minimum of 2 hours. If you keep it overnight then you will definitely get the best result. That's why I keep mine overnight. Now this is going to be the final recipe for today. I've got 1 kilo of beef keema that has a lot of fat in it. Add 1 big chopped onion in here and mix it really well. Squeeze it if you have to. The reason why you will have to have a lot of fat in your beef keema is to keep your burger very nice and juicy. If you don't have enough fat, it's going to be really dry. Now get all your burger patties ready and before you put them on the grill, you need to make sure that you keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. The reason for doing that is to keep it all set so when you place it on the grill, it will not fall apart. Here I've got a mixture of 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. You will have to sprinkle some of this on your patties just before you put it on the grill. I'm really sorry to tell you this, I forgot to record it when I put the seasoning on the patties. I was so busy and it was such a hard work to do all this, I didn't even realize. But guess what, I managed to record everything else perfect. Anyways, the grill is ready, so let's place everything in here. some skewers, marinated chicken legs. By the way, if you want to know where I got my charcoal drum from, then I will leave the link in the description box below. If you have any questions about anything, then please feel free to ask me. Let's add some of the lamb chops. Make sure you check out my other recipes. I have really simple delicious recipes for you guys. I will leave one of the link at the top right hand corner. And if you're enjoying watching my barbecue recipes, then please give it a thumbs up. I'm also going to place some beef kebabs which were prepared by my family friends. I also have some sweet corn, so let's place them and then put the lid on. So it's been about 5 minutes and I turned them over already and they look so good, look so tasty. I can't wait to eat. Sadly, it's not cooked yet. When it's about barbecue, I can't give any advice about how long to cook for. Because you might have less coal or more, that means the heat's going to be always different. I found some space for burger patties, so let's place them here. Make sure you don't turn them over very often because if you do, it might fall apart. If you're planning to have a barbecue, you won't be able to do it on your own, trust me. So I've got auntie to help me, my dad's there to help me, my mum, my brother and my uncle, everyone's there. Basically, when you have a barbecue, you will definitely lose most of the fat from the meat. That means you will have to brush them all on it, and my auntie is perfectly doing their job. If you don't like to add any oil, that's totally fine, but just to let you know that it might be a little bit dry. I hope that you're enjoying watching this barbecue. If you are, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below what you think. Anyways, everything is nearly cooked. Let's put the lid on now and cook for another few minutes and it will be perfectly done. Now look at this. Oh my god, it looks so tasty. Everyone is so hungry, they're all waiting to eat. So let's just warm up our garlic naan and just final touch of oil on the meat and that's it, ready to eat. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. And also if you have any suggestions, then please feel free to let me know. I will definitely try my best to bring it on for you as soon as possible. Anyways, burger patties are ready, so let's place some cheese on top and wait for it to melt. Garlic naans are ready, so let's take them out. As you can see that I also placed some burger buns on the grill only for a few seconds just to make it a little bit crispy. The cheese is perfectly melted on the patty, so let's remove it and get our burgers ready. This is how I like to have my burger, so some mayonnaise, lettuce, sliced tomatoes and the juicy patty. So this was the last thing for me to do and I prepared everything else for presentation, so let's check it out. Here we go, everything is displayed on the table. They look so tasty and we can't wait to eat. I really wish that I can invite you all to my barbecue party, but obviously it's not possible, so you can have barbecue at home with your family. If you ever follow my recipes for your barbecue, then please let me know in the comment box below how it turns out. I'll have to disappear now, everyone's waiting to eat, so thank you so much for watching my recipes and I will see you in my next video. Take care till then. And just to remind you again, if you enjoyed watching this barbecue video, then please give it a thumbs up.